Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can download Pycharm. Now Pycharm is an application in where you can write your code and test it and run it in Python. Now the first step for this is to head into your browser. For this I'll be using a Google Chrome on a Mac. Now then you just want to search up Pycharm and you will get, you can click on the first link, which is www.jetbrains.com/pycharm, and then you just want to click download over here, and I'll be downloading this for the Mac, and there's two versions you can download, the professional and the community version. For this demonstration I'll be downloading the community version, which is for pure Python development, as you can see right here, while the professional version is a paid version in where you can implement web Python development, but you can always get a free trial for this. So for this video I'll be using the community version. You can click download over here, and you can also join their mailing list to receive tips and tricks for using Python and Pycharm. And now I'll just be skipping to the part where the file has been downloaded. Okay, so now what you want to do is that you want to click on this link right here, so the downloaded file. So you can just click on it, and it's just going to run some verifications. Here, for me it's the Mac, which is running the verifications. For you it might be the Windows. And you have to just drag this to the applications folder. Now you can just search up Pycharm. It's here yet, it's still copying. Now you can search up Pycharm here to see if it's there. Yep. Click on it. It's loading in, verifying. We can open this. So now what you want to do is that you want to just, if you want to run a new project, you can click on create a new project, and let's name this Tech Approved. Now all we need to do is press create and test this out. So currently it's just loading in, so we just have to wait a few seconds. Okay, now we can just click here, click on a new, and let's say we want a Python file to write our code, and let's just name this YouTube video. And there you go, there's your Python file. Let's just run a little test right here. Let's do print subscribe to Tech Approved, and just click here then. Just run this command, and as you can see, it has printed our statement to subscribe to Tech Approved. Now this statement also applies to you guys, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a comment in the comment section below, smash the like button, and turn on the bell icon to get an update on our future uploads. Thank you for watching.